Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing problems when trying to get your mouse or keyboard to work from more than a few feet away, then we are here with some common issues before continuing. First thing first, cheap wireless items tend to have reduced range when compared to higher quality products. If your mouse, keyboards, or computer are more than a couple of years old, you will likely experience decreased performance. You may be able to offset this by updating your computer and downloading the latest drivers for your mouse and or keyboard from the manufacturer's website. So now, first thing you will need to do is replace the current batteries with fresh long-lasting one. You will want to use high-quality batteries for your mouse and keyboard. If the manufacturer recommends a specific brand, try using it. Fresh batteries will almost always improve the range at which your mouse and keyboards are functional. Now, on third, make sure that there isn't anything between you and the wireless receiver. The wireless receiver, that is the USB chip that plugs into your computer, is not powerful enough to broadcast adequately through walls or furniture. You should have a clear line of sight from both the mouse and the keyboard to the respective wireless receiver on your computer. After that, face the USB receiver's front toward your keyboard or mouse. The top of the USB item is typically the front of the receiver itself, meaning that the top of the USB item should face your mouse or keyboard. Some USB receivers can be rotated while others require a separated USB cable to allow for rotations. Then, on last, upgrade your wireless mouse and keyboard. If you just are not able to get your mouse and keyboard to connect at more than a few feet, it's time to upgrade. You can buy a more recent version of your current wireless setup, or you can start using a Bluetooth mouse keyboard combination instead. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.